Hello, my most amazing artists and my creatively intelligent artists. Guess what? It's Volcano Week! Alright guys, grab your materials and let's go. We're going to start by folding in our paper because we want, it's like a pop-up volcano. So on the outside, we're going to be having a regular mountain, but on the inside, we're going to have a volcano exploding. Alright, start with your curve line, then bring down 2 diagonal lines on both sides. At the bottom of your volcano, you're going to create U-shapes. Different size U-shapes. That will be the bottom of your mountain or your volcano. Alright, let's create the top of our mountain, and we are using a lot of curve lines. Let's add some palm trees. There is no mountain without a palm tree. So let's do our curve lines, and at the end of each, we're adding zigzag lines for our palm tree. Let's repeat the step and add another palm tree. We're doing 2 curve lines, then 4 small curve lines, and add our zigzag lines to create the branches. And in the middle, we're having a tall palm tree, doing 2 vertical lines, then 2 curve lines, and at the end again, we're adding our zigzag lines. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, pause the video. Remember to add your 2 coconuts to your palm tree or coconut trees. Yes, turn them into coconut trees. Let's add our clouds to the sky because our sky has to look amazing. Guys, your artwork, guess what? It looks amazing. Let's add our birds. For the birds, we're using V shapes with 2 lines at the side. And now we're adding our curve lines to create the water. And we're doing 2 sets of curve lines, one for the water and one for the sand. Now on the inside of our paper, we want our erupting volcano. So we're starting with a curved line, 2 diagonal lines coming down on the side, and we're adding the U shapes at the bottom. Okay, let's add another palm tree, and we're repeating the steps, curve lines and adding our zigzag lines for the leaves. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always what? Pause the video. Now it's time for us to add our lava. Now lava is a hot liquefied rock that flows from a volcano. And we are going to be using curved lines to create our lava on our volcano. Let's add our smoke. So for our smoke, we're using numerous U shapes to create, it's like a cloudy smoke. And you can do as many smoke as you like. Let's add our land using curve lines, and we are also going to do the same for our cloud. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, just hit the pause button and pause the video. Now, because our lava is coming out of our mountain, we have different droplets of lava flying in the sky. So we're going to add our droplets of lava and also a few rocks. Or lava can be liquid in the form of the water droplets, or it can be solid in the form of the rocks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use my marker to brighten my lines. You can use a marker to do yours, or you can leave your lines as they are. Just remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always pause the video. I'm going to now start coloring my artwork. Your artwork looks so amazing, guys. So remember, you can always pause the video and match your colors. Now we're going to experiment a bit with our watercolor markers using both light, dark blue, and gray to create our water. Then we're going to use our paintbrush dipped in water to spread the color across the paper. If you do not have markers, you can just simply use a dark blue and a light blue crayon or colored pencil to color your water. If you're not using the markers, please do not use any water on the paper. To color our lava to get a very fiery effect, we're going to be using yellow, a mixture of yellow and orange to get that lavery hot fiery effect. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always pause the video. For the smoke and the clouds, I am using black, but if you have gray, you can use your gray colored pencil or crayon. Wow, your artworks look amazing. I love it, guys. Very creative. You did a great job. I had fun with you today. See you next time. Bye.